Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky and I'm here to show you how to make a delicious mug cake using Codeage Chocolate Collagen protein. And I am by no means a chef or a good cook or anything, so this is super easy to make. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we're starting off with all of our dry ingredients already in the mug that we're going to throw in the microwave. We have 1/4 cup of flour, 1 scoop of our collagen, and a pinch of salt. So what I absolutely love about this collagen and what it does in this recipe is that it's kind of sweet as it is, so there's no need to add any more sugar into the mug cake. While we're mixing, I just want to remind you guys that this organic collagen powder is non-GMO, keto-friendly, soy-free, and gluten-free. While it is not vegan, I absolutely love it, and especially in this recipe. Shout out to Codeage. Here we're adding our vegetable oil. It's just 2 tablespoons, and you can start mixing that in. Before you start mixing, make sure to clean up any unattractive messes you may have made. So after stirring that a little bit, you're going to want to add in your 1/4 cup of milk. I have regular Trader Joe's almond milk and a tablespoon. So if you're only using a tablespoon, go ahead and add in 4 of those because that will make your 1/4 cup. And make sure to stir as much as possible to make sure you don't have any bumps left in there. After mixing for forever and a day, we're going to take a teaspoon of vanilla extract, give or take, spilled a little bit in there. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. Afterwards, we're gonna take a big glop of Nutella, or you could take chocolate chips at this point. I'm using cocoa almond spread from Trader Joe's, and you're just gonna add a big old glop in there. Help yourself with the fork or whatever mixing tool you're using, and just leave it in the center. Also, if your cat's not interested in this recipe, then you're doing it wrong. Then it's all ready to hit the microwave. I microwaved mine for about a minute or so, and this is the finished product. It's soft, it's moist, you see that smoke coming out of there, and it is absolutely delicious. So I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy.